Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Al-Sasadia with NPM 2341206 from Accounting Class 23A, course Environmental Accounting. Here I will explain the material about accounting and environmental conservation. Accounting in environmental conservation is part of environmental accounting that focus on how companies record, measure, and report activities related to environmental protection. In the modern era, environmental conservation has become an important issue because of increasing environmental damage caused by industrial activities. Therefore, companies are not only expect to make profit but also to actively protect the environment through sustainable conservation practice. Definition of accounting in environmental conservation. Accounting and environmental conservation can be defined as the process of recording and reporting costs and benefits related to environmental protection effort. These conservation activities include reducing pollution, protecting natural resources, and resorting damaged environment. The information produced is not only financial data but also includes non-financial data, such as the number of days relevant of the reduction of emission level. Objective of accounting in environmental conservation. The main objective of accounting in environmental conservation is to support environmental protection effort through manage relevant and accurate information. In addition, it helps companies make decisions that focus on sustainability, improve the efficiency of resource use, and strengthen corporate social responsibility. With a good recording system, companies can evaluate the effectiveness of their conservation programs. Role of accounting in environmental conservation. Accounting play an important role in supporting environmental conservation activities. One role is as a cost control tool, where companies can identify and manage costs related to conservation activities. In addition, accounting also functions as a tool to evaluate environmental performance so companies can assess whether these conservation programs are effective or not. It also helps improve transparency to stakeholders about the company commitment to environmental protection. Types of environmental conservation activities in accounting. Environmental conservation activities recorded in accounting includes various actions, such as waste management, energy saving, the use of eco-friendly materials, and environmental rehabilitation. In addition, companies can also carry out activities like revolution, reducing carbon emission, and sustainable water management. All of these activities require systematic recording so they can be properly analyzed and reported. Recognition and measurement in environmental conservation. In environmental conservation accounting, costs for conservation activities must be properly recognized and measured. These costs can be operational costs or long-term investment, such as purchasing eco-friendly technology. In addition, the benefit of conservation activities also needs to be measured, although this is often difficult because they are non-financial. Therefore, companies need to use appropriate methods so the information remains relevant and reliable. Reporting of environmental conservation accounting. Environmental conservation accounting is usually reported in sustainability report or a special section of the company annual report. This report includes information about conservation activities, costs incurred, and results achieved. One commonly used guideline is the Standard from Global Reporting Initiative, which help companies prepare reports that are transparent and well structured. Benefit of accounting in environmental conservation. The implementation of accounting in environmental conservation provides various benefits for companies, such as improving resource efficiency, reducing environmental risk, and strengthen the company image in the public eye. In addition, companies can gain trust from investors and society because they are seen as having strong social responsibility. In the long term, this can increase the company competitive in the market. Challenge in accounting for environmental conservation. Although it has many benefits, the implementation of accounting and environmental conservation also faces several challenges. One of the main challenges is the difficulty in measuring environmental benefit, especially long-term benefit that cannot always be valued in money. In addition, limited standard and lack of company awareness are also obstacles. Therefore, strong commitment from management and support from the government are needed to encourage its practice. Conclusion. Accounting and environmental conservation is an important part of sustainable business practice. Through proper recording and reporting, companies can manage conservation activities more efficiently and effectively. In addition, the accounting helps companies fulfill their social responsibility and increase stakeholder trust. Therefore, the implementation of environmental conservation accounting provides benefit not only for companies but also for the environment and society as a whole. That's all I can say about accounting and environmental conservation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.